Hi, I'm Pete Lesher, and some of you know me as chief curator down at the Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum, and others as a member of the Talbot County Council. I'm now serving in my second term there, and I'll be talking about the topic of growth in Talbot County and sort of what is our vision in Talbot County, what tools do we have for implementing that vision, how effective have we been with those tools, and more important, can we be more effective? Do we need better tools, perhaps an adequate public facilities ordinance? We'll get into all of that. And how does the county properly take a role in growth decisions? What role do the municipalities play? It's a significant one. As a former municipal official, now a county official, I've been on both sides of that. So we will be exploring this topic with the tools at our disposal. We'll be looking in particular at Talbot County, what we do here in Talbot County, and what might change in Talbot County. And I hope that you'll go away with a better understanding and really tools to be more engaged as the county moves forward in its planning, in its growth and regulation of growth in Talbot County.